What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to add more apps to the secure folder in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open app screen, and from the app screen tap on secure folder. Now here in secure folder, click on this add icon to add apps. Now from here, select the apps that you want to add to the secure folder. So after selecting apps, here you will see a add button. So select as many apps as many you want to add to the secure folder, and after selecting apps tap on add, and then those apps will be added to the secure folder. So that's how you can add more apps to the secure folder in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.